In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to snapshot in Bluebeam. If you've ever needed to quickly capture a clean portion of a PDF, maybe a detail from a plan set, a specific note, or a marked up area, the snapshot tool in Bluebeam Revu makes it fast and precise. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab what you need and use it anywhere you want. First, open your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Any PDF will do, whether it's a drawing, a form, or a report. Give the page a moment to render so everything looks crisp. If you're targeting a small detail, it helps to zoom in before you capture so the snapshot is as clear as possible when you paste it elsewhere. Next, go to the Edit menu and choose Snapshot. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press the G key on your keyboard. When the tool is active, your cursor changes to a crosshair, which means you're ready to select an area. If you don't see the cursor change, click once on the page to bring the window into focus and try again. Keyboard shortcuts can vary by version or custom settings, but G is the default in most cases. Now click and drag to draw a rectangle around exactly what you want to capture. Take your time to frame the selection, include all the labels, dimensions or markup you need, and exclude anything you don't. If you start the box in the wrong spot, no problem. Release the mouse and simply click and drag again to redraw the selection. A quick zoom beforehand can make all the difference for legibility, especially with dense drawings or small text. When you're happy with the selection, release the mouse button. As soon as you let go, Bluebeam copies that area to your clipboard. There's no extra confirmation required. The snapshot is ready to paste. From here, you can press Ctrl+V or right-click paste to drop it into an email, a chat, a document, or a presentation. If you paste it back into Bluebeam, it appears as an image markup that you can move, resize, rotate, or annotate further. This is often cleaner than a traditional screen capture because you're grabbing just the content you want without the rest of your desktop. If you plan to take multiple snapshots in a row, the tool stays active so you can keep selecting and releasing as needed. When you're finished, press Escape to return to your regular cursor. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, activate Snapshot, drag to select and release to copy. Simple, consistent, and perfect for clear communication.